Guys, welcome to my channel. And in this video we talk about my FPA team. And the last game week was very disgusting for me because you can see the average score of 59, but I got 45 score. I got it all wrong. But in this game week I will try my best. And one thing I would like to use the wild card here because it's getting very low scores in every game week, and I have to add some class players like De Bruyne and other players like Calvert-Lewin because they are scoring goals for fun. So without wasting any time, let's go to the transfers. Here you can see my first. Last time I signed player and I lost minus 4 points, but this game week I will change it and we'll go for wild card. You can see it is available here, and in this game week you can see how will I will first player I would like to change is the Alex McGrath. He considered to he did not get any games in last two matches, so I will replace him with Emiliano Martinez, the goalkeeper who was the star of the Arsenal team last year, but is now an Aston Villa player. And what a debut it was! He saved a penalty in his first match. So let's go. And he's very 4.5. And the other one I will change in Ireland, although it doesn't matter, but I will change him. And the player which will change him is the Southampton one, Fraser Foster. I don't know why he doesn't play too many games, but he's a great goalkeeper at 4 million. It's a great value for money. And another one I will sign is, although my defense is great, job is Justin for 4.6 million. James for 5. It's quite a decent value for him. Then the player Tierini is a defender but does not create too many chances because he's playing a back three. So I will replace him with Wolverhampton Wanderers Roman Saiz scored a goal in the first game week. A very good goalkeeper. A very good defender. And although the last match against City, he had not played well because he considered a awful penalty. And the another one I will change is Alexander Arnold. He's a great player, no matter, but I will change him. Actually, I will not change him. I will. It's just like a swap deal, and I will swap with him with Robertson because he offers me a great value, 5.0.5 million less than Robertson. And in this midfield section, the Stephens will be there. No, Greenwood will be there. Salah will be there. Saint Maxim is injured, so I will have to change him. And Aubameyang, although I don't midfielder now, and as a midfielder he will get more points because will score goals for fun. And we all everyone has predicted that he will win the Golden Boot this year, but I have to change him with the greatest player in the Premier League right now. And you can guess it, who is it? It's Kevin De Bruyne for 11.6 million. And Salt, then I will go and change Saint Alex Maxim. So I will change him with a something like a wild card. Although many people will go for Bruno Fernandes, but I have chosen Greenwood until whether there is any Sancho here or not. And the one player you can choose is Heung-min Son of Spurs. He's a great player, a very good player for a counter-attacking Mourinho's team. But I will go with um, Leeds United Helder Costa. scored goals in the last match. Let me see where it is. And he's at a great value because he is very cheap. He's almost less than half of Aubameyang. Let me choose him. Go with Leeds here. Here it is. You can see 5.6 million, a great value for him. And believe me, guys, Leeds scored a lot more goals. They have scored 3 against the very good Liverpool side. And the other player I will change is, and it's not a range, it will swap, like Richarlison will go out and the player will come in his striker partner. Dominic Calvert-Lewin scored a hat-trick last time and is very cheap than 0.7 million less than Richarlison at 8, so you have to go for him. And Werner is there, so there will not be any change. One change you can do if there is enough fund, 5.6 for Costa. So let me see whether it's I can have or not. Let me see. If you don't want Costa there, you can go and let me see whether I have funds or not. I will go with Willian. See, there it is, Willian 8.1. Yes, so I have 0. So it can happen. So we'll go with Willian, and it will be great because if I don't have Aubameyang, then I have Willian. He will score goals no matter. So this is my team. You can see. Let me go with the wild card. So here it is. I will go with the wild card. We're gonna go with minus 24 points. So it is wild card. I will, and then it is confirm. So my team is updated now, as you can see. So some reasons why I have gone for the players, some like Sais and other ones, because they have a great what to say, great matches there, so it will be easier fixtures. So let me pick my team, and what would be my team for next week. So you can see it's my team, and the captain will be Werner. West Brom has conceded a lot more goals than anyone else, so I have to change him. Yeah, I can put him here because I think Size may play. So let me change him. Justin will concede goals. Leicester will concede goals against City, so it's not like something I will go with Justin here. And you can see Davis and Stephens there. It's a great side, and let's see what it can go with. So here is my team. You can see Charlie Taylor against Southampton. You know, the Burnley side defend very well and can cause some problem to Southampton. So it is my team, and it's quite difficult whether to go with Werner because he has not scored a goal yet, but I think he will score. He will score against West Brom. So here's my team: 4-4-2, two greatest strikers, Werner and Calvert-Lewin. So it is my team. You can see. Let's see how it is goes with the game week 3. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Comment me whether you are satisfied with this team or what changes I should make, because I have wildcard available. Comment as soon as you can, because then only I can change. So thank you for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share with your friends who love FPL. Have a great day.